colors.
You might want to sit up for this one.
Okay, so basically, if you look at this is blue. This is a navy blue speaker, right? I know that it's blue. You know that it's blue. But what if the way that I see blue is different from the way that you see blue? Like, what if blue actually looks like this to you? What if all of your colors were flipped so you would never know that blue actually looks like red? So, like, you point to it. I just threw it. Hold on. You point to it and you say that this is blue, which is correct. You're correct, except it looks like this to you.
Is one person's experience of the color blue the same as another person's? This question touches on both neuroscience and the limits of scientific knowledge. While modern science can explain in great detail how humans perceive color, it can't fully access or compare subjective experiences between individuals. This creates an intriguing possibility that even if two people agree on what blue is, the internal experiences of that color might still differ. From a scientific perspective, color begins with light. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation, and different colors correspond to different wavelengths. When this light enters the eye, it's detected by specialized cells in the retina that are known as cone cells. Humans usually have 3 types of cones, and each of these is sensitive to different ranges of wavelengths. These cones convert light into electrical signals, which are then transmitted to the brain. The issue is that although color is based on real physical properties, everyone's experience is subjective. So while science can measure the wavelength of light and observe how the brain responds to it, we can't directly measure your personal internal experience of seeing a color. This type of experience is known as qualia, which means the individual subjective feeling of a sensation. Because qualia are private, there's no direct way to compare one person's experience of blue with another's. There are strong reasons to believe that human color experiences are broadly similar. The structure of the human visual system is highly consistent across people, but it cannot definitively prove that the subjective experience of blue is identical for everyone, which highlights a fundamental limitation in our understanding of consciousness, that we can study the physical processes of the brain, but the inequality of experience is almost impossible to observe. If you enjoyed watching this, please hit the follow button for more answers to questions that you may or may not have. Keep asking questions and never stop learning. I need a cup of tea after that.